Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday, and this is your love and work forecast for July for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun, sign, moon, sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. And friends, this is a timeless reading, although it's for July, but you can watch it anytime. It will still resonate with you and your situation. So let's see, Libras, how the month of July will be. The theme of the month of July for Libras. Let's see that for Libras. What is the theme of the month of July, Libras? Ooh, Three of Cups. So a lot of celebrations, a lot of socializing, networking is coming for you, Libras. Connections. The Emperor and Eight of Pentacles. Very, very nice and powerful month for you, Libras. This month you'll be very, very busy. Busy with work, busy with finances, planning, strategizing. Also earning a lot of money. So yes, a lot of plans, a lot of money is coming your way. You're very busy. You have no time this month. So get ready, friends. If you are free right now, enjoy it. And in July, friendships are very important. Connections, networking, social media, all those things are very important for you. Some of you will be finding new friends, meeting new partners, new lovers, new soulmates. And some of you are reuniting with your friends and soulmates, those who left you, they are coming back again. And the Emperor, so you're very, very powerful, Libras. You are coming into your power, you are connecting with your destiny. Some of you are also changing your life purpose, or you are working on your life purpose in July, friends. It's a great, great month for you, Libras. Definitely, your focus is on money, your focus is on expansion, networking, friendships, soulmate connections, and celebrations. Wonderful. And I do see an Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for you because, yes, I see that. Let's see your love life, Libras. You're going places actually in July. I'm very excited. Yeah, some of you could be getting a promotion also. I see a promotion or, responsibility, leadership, getting some leadership role, a promotion, a leadership role, like you're promoted in your class or in your home. So you're promoted, leadership roles. Wonderful. Let's see your love life, Libras. Love life for Libras in July. Okay. Libras, love life. Okay. These cards want to come out. Love life for Libras in July. Oops. The cards are jumping. Jumpy energies? Yeah. All right, so you're dealing with choice, Libras. You have a choice in the month of July. I did felt it with the Three of Cups also, like choices, but right now it's very, very clear. You have some choices, or there are definitely a lot of people coming your way, Libra. So time to get excited. Variety is the spice of life, at least for you it is. The first week of July, friends, you're very much focused on your work, on your career. You have a lot of responsibilities. And if you are in a relationship, you are feeling very bothered and you're burdened about it because you are managing the relationship alone, Libras, or there is a lot of burden on you, especially if you are in a relationship. If you are single, this burden is coming from work, this burden is coming from finances, career, and home, family responsibilities. But you are busy. First week, you are very, very busy. And your focus is not on love, your focus is more on career, your focus is more on. Um, Trying to deal with your burdens, your troubles, your trying to deal with responsibilities. That's what you are doing. But Three of Pentacles, yes, I do see that your lover, your twin flame, or the person who is in no contact, they want to reach out with you, they want to reach out to you, and they're going to talk with you. They want to, get things sorted, but I think you are busy, so your focus is less on less on love, Libras. Seven of Wands, yeah. Someone will try to reach out to you in the first week of July, but you are like, nah, I'm too busy. You will not be. It will be tough for anybody to reach out or talk to you in July first week because you are busy. Your focus is on work. You are like, I'm done. I'm working. Don't disturb me. I have my priorities set. And I do see you are busy. Maybe some of you have exams in July first week, or you have some presentations for work, so you're busy, your focus is more on work, but someone wants to help you, someone wants to talk to you, but you are not open to them, Libras, in the first week. Let's see the second week. Yes, second week brings your romantic side up, Libras. Your romance is high in the second week. I do see that slowly things are getting steamier and romantier. Romantier. It's like sweeter and romantic for you, Libras. Yes, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus might be important for you. I see that you will dates and romantic night outs will be happening in the second week of July. You will be spending more time with your family, with your lover, your soulmate. And in the second week, there is more talk about family, expansion of the relationship, commitment, Five of Wands, yeah. Past conflicts are also resolved in the second week. So if you guys were in no contact, your person will try to reach out and tell you why they were away, you know solutions, healings, resolutions. Five of Pentacles, yeah. I do feel that some of you could also be meeting a new person in the second week, or you could be dealing with two people, two lovers, or a third party in the second week of July. So you are like a little, there is love, there is romance, and you're still a bit, in the back of your mind, you are like, can you trust this person? Can you trust them? Will they leave you again? So you're taking it slow in the second week. Let's see the third week for July. Wow, third week of July will again be very, very, lot of communications, too much communications. I do see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person important. So you do have a choice in love, Libras. You are spoiled, You are this emperor or this empress. You can have anybody, anyone you want. So Five of Swords, yes. I do feel that, there might be issues because of communication issues, because of two people, or people interfering in your love life, or friends interfering your love life, or third parties interfering your love life. That is the reason of problems in your love relationship, but I do see it will be resolved. Some sort of a breakthrough is coming, and someone will definitely contact you with some sort of a proposal, some sort of a clarity, like, see, I want this, I want that. Everything will be happening very quickly in the third week, so you will have no time. There is a lot of discussions, talks, developments happening in the third week of July. And yes, you will feel very stable. You will also feel very happy, Libra. So congratulations. Let's see the final week of July. Wow, you are obsessed. People are obsessed with you, Libras. You are also obsessed with your lover, your twin flame, and they are obsessed with you. I do feel there is a chance of pregnancy and childbirth, or talks about those things happening in the final week of July. Passions are very high in the final week, so take care if you are not looking for some fun, extra fun. You know what I mean, right? So take care. Also, I do see somebody from the past coming back for you, Libras, and you will be like, can I trust them? Why are they back and all that? But you will feel very obsessed about them. They are feeling very obsessed about you. There is this magnetic attraction between you and your lover in the final week, and it is leading to passions building up. It is leading to, you can't live without them, they can't live without you, even though you can't trust them, but they can't trust you, but yet you can't live without them. So there is this excitement, there is this also like, oof, this is dangerous, can I do it, shall I do it, what will happen, this and that. Eight of Swords, yes, you are a bit scared, Libras. Not scared. You can't. Your lover is also a bit scared. You are also a bit scared, but the attraction is intense, and you're gonna, leap into love. You're gonna leap into love. You're gonna dive and jump and swim for love. Let's see some advice for you, Libras, for your love life. Positive movement forward, sacral chakra. Yeah, I told you, a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of creativity. You could be attracting people who are very creative, and also your soulmate is very attracted towards you. So you are attracting people, they are attracting you. So things are moving forward, emotionally as well as physically. Positive movement forward. Yes, things are moving forward in your love life. You got to stay patient, and you got to figure out who is the person you want, because I do see options for you, Libras. And truth, yes, find out the truth. What is the truth? What you want? Who is it that you want? What is it that you want in love? Focus on the truth. I do see that lustful connections may also happen, friends with benefit, not in a bad way. Like, you will meet people who are perfect for you, you will feel drawn to them, but do you want to take the, do you want to stay there, or you want something else? So, a lot of truths are coming out in July for you. What you want, what the others want, what they want to do with you, but lots of passion, lots of chemistry. Let's see your work and career, Libras, in July. Okay, wow, Ace of Pentacles, Justice. Wow, so a new start is coming for you, a very strong new start. And yes, this is, some of you could be actually leaving your work or career, or you will be moving into a more secure, more stable, and more prosperous career. For some of you, legal issues regarding work will be resolved in your favor in July. For others, I feel like you were denied something in your work and career, like money was not coming, promotions were not happening. You will have it now, friends, in July. I see a new start in your career. Some of you may actually get a new job, a new perk, a new raise. Some of you may actually start your first jobs in July. So congratulations. I do see that online, a lot of things will be happening online. A lot of information, news, messages are coming through online, social media. Some of you may start working online on social medias, YouTube's, Facebook, Insta, all these, any other portal, some of you will start working online, and it will be exciting for you. I also see you'll be very, very busy this month, Libra. So if you are free now, get some rest, because you're gonna be very, very busy in the month of July. There will be a lot of money coming your way. Look at that King of Pentacles. A lot of money, a lot of success, clarity on what you wanna do, what you wanna achieve. It will be very good month for you regarding work. But if someone has been doing politics or working behind your back at your work, they're gonna pay for it, friends. You can expect that to end. This is your month of karmic rewards, karmic blessings in love. Let's see some advice for you, friends. Libras, advice for Libras. Let's see. Courage and bravery. Yes, you are very, very courageous, Libras. You are very bold. Believe in yourself. You can do it. You are very talented. Some of you may be starting something new which you find very risky, or which you feel like you can't do. But believe in yourself. You're very brave. You're very courageous. So go after your dreams. Go after um, go after what you believe in, whether it is people, love, work. Angel protection. Yes, you are very, very protected. No one can harm you. I do see competition at your work and in your career, but don't worry, you are safe, friends. No one can harm you. No one can affect the prosperity that's coming your way. What else will happen for Libras? Wow, lots of cards are jumping out. Let's see. Okay, let's take them. Lots of cards have come. September is important. You could be born in September yourself, or you could be dealing with someone who is born in September. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Yeah, you could. I do feel you are dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag person. June is also important. A Gemini could be important. Mule, someone is behaving stubbornly and unwilling to change. Turkey, someone is behaving stupidly. Oh my god, there is a lot of problems from people who are behaving in a fixed way for you. Man, dealings or relationship with a man. Shark, hidden secrets. The take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. I don't think you will lose some money. No, I don't think so. If you listen to your intuition, you'll be careful. You will be safe. October is important. September, June, October, unsettled times, you need to plan ahead. Yeah, I do feel that you will be planning by choice, in July, but things are looking good. I don't see a lot of bad energy here. Archway, new doorways and new possibilities and paths are opening for you. So yes, something new is starting for you, but you might also be letting go of something old, like an old job, starting a new job, letting an old project go, starting a new project. Lily is spiritual love. Love is spiritual. Love is passionate. Love is extremely creative for you. A younger man, yeah, you could be dealing with a younger man also in July. That's it for now, Libras. I wish you a very happy July. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.